Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today we're going to make the world's best Jamaican curry chicken. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now we're going to season this up. I'm going to use the lorren Jamaican curry powder, Caribbean curry powder. You want to add it liberally down on your chicken. I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken in this bowl. I'm also going to use his gourmet seasoned sea salt. I think both of these spices are basically magic. I'll put the links below as to how you could get his spices. Also down in here, then you're going to add some allspice berries down in here. Mix this up and allow it to marinate. Alright guys, step 2. To my food processor, I'm going to add some fresh thyme. You don't even need to chop it, obviously. Fresh thyme. You're going to add a bunch of cilantro. If you're out of the country, it's called, coriander. But yeah, cilantro. Then you're going to add some onion. I'm using white onion. It really doesn't matter which onion you use, but I'm using white onion. Then you're going to add a habanero. I have a whole habanero here. I took the seeds out and the ribs out so it won't be too hot. Then I'm going to add 5 super large garlic cloves down in there. Pulse this. It's going to become a paste. Halfway through the cooking process, we're going to add this to the curry chicken, and it's going to be amazing. Alright guys, so I have my chicken down in my pot here. Added a little bit of oil and added my chicken down in there. We're going to cover this and allow it to make its own juice. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so this is basically what you end up with once you take it out the food processor. You could, obviously chop it up yourself, but I didn't want to, so I put it in my food processor. And we're going to add this 30 minutes into cooking the chicken. Alright guys, now I'm just going to add my mixture down in here that we made in the food processor. Remember, I didn't add any liquid to this curry chicken whatsoever. I had it on low heat, well medium, like about medium heat, covered for about 30 minutes. And it made all this juice. I don't know how, but that's how it worked out. And yeah, so you're going to mix this in and allow it to cook another 30 minutes so everything can come together. And then I'm going to re-season and taste it to make sure I'm good on salt and pepper. Make sure you taste your food. Can't say it enough. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so to finish off my curry chicken, it's pretty much cooked, ready to go. Again, make sure you taste for salt and pepper. As you can see, my sauce is nice and thick. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be on my website and the link will be listed below. For me, I wanted some butter down in there, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to re-season by adding some more fresh thyme. You know, that thyme we grounded up earlier, it's already cooked out. So you add it at the end just to re-season. And then you're not going to simmer this for no longer than 5 minutes. I'm going to plate it all up and let you guys see what it looks like. This is my steamed white rice right here. Alright guys, so this is what the curry chicken looks like. All I did was put some scallions around the plate on my chicken. I served it up with some cucumber and some rice because that's the veggie that I had. But you can eat this with cabbage, carrots, whatever your favorite vegetable is, no big deal. But I hope you guys enjoyed this curry chicken recipe. It's super delicious. I hope you guys try out Keith's spices. I'll put the link below as well as the ingredients for this recipe below. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.